Everybody, so in this video I'm going to redo my lights because they stopped working. So I already have the wires run. It's going to be a quick video. I'm not going to have a tripod or use much of a tripod at all. It's a quick dirty video, mostly hand shot. I'm going to redo the lights and then I'm going to redo the trailer connection on the truck over there. So here are the replacement lights. Brown, white, and yellow. White is ground. There's the the cables that go all up there. So what I'm going to use connectors to connect these, and then I'm going to water seal them to the best of my ability, and then I'm going to use the screws to hook those back up in there so if I haven't lost them. What the fuck's that cat doing over there? Okay, here we go. Okay, here's where we're at. So put new lights, still didn't work. I checked the connection on the bottom of the truck, the original factory connection. That shit don't work. I checked the fuses, all of them worked. I even put a multimeter, put new fuses on that shit. All of it worked. So I'm tired of dealing with that shit. I'm just gonna rerun wires from the lights themselves and create a new connection. Ordering new lights, redoing the lights, redoing the wires from the fucking end of the fucking trailer all the way to the front again. It's been about at least 10-12 hours at least, minimum. I know I exaggerate sometimes, but I'm not exaggerating. It's been at least 10 hours of bullshit, of troubleshooting, testing, all kinds of stupid shit. So hopefully you guys can see. Ran some wires from the new lights. This is the red and brown, yellow and brown, and I'm running it through here. There's a hole here that has a weather seal. Running the wire through there, through the inside of here. Second or third one I bought of this, thinking it was this that was bad, and it wasn't. So I'm gonna take this shit off. I spent like 2 hours putting O-rings on each one of these when it was like 90 degrees, so it wasn't that hot. So I'm gonna trace these lines down there to my junction box. This is for the tail lights and the side markers. See, 1 and 2 is for the brake, and left blinker. 2 and 4 is the left blinker. 1 and 5 is park. So which one was the fucking steady light? Oh fuck me. That's cloud shit. Okay. Take the fucking picture, you stupid ass phone. Okay. Where the fuck is the camera? Where is it? Green equals both running lights. So. All right. So I love these wire strippers. Love with a stripper. It's gonna go there. Now that light should be on. Oh. I am so confused. I am so confused. Okay. This has to go over here. see that or not? It does fucking work. Okay. Why is it working over there? There's something wrong with the fucking lights. Last we left off, none of the lights worked in the trailer, even though I had power. I tested them with the multimeter, had power coming from the truck. So far it's been about 11 hours of work on this, 2 hours a day during the week, every day, and right now it's been almost 3 hours. Basically now what I found out the problem is on this side of the trailer is it doesn't have ground for whatever fucking reason. So I originally had it grounded through the screws that attach to it, but for whatever reason that's not enough ground. So what I'm doing now is I grounded the trailer to the truck with wires, and I took all the wires out of the junction box. I would put them back in. It was a fucking nightmare. I'm gonna ground the junction box and running dedicated grounding wires all the way to the lights. So on the truck, just do it like that. Right now I'm doing this light. I already found the parking lights. Now I'm gonna find the turning signal, which I think I already found using a multimeter. So I'm using these, which I explained the other day. And today's Saturday. I've been here every day for a week almost. So I put the 1 and 5. 1 and 5, which gives me nothing. The lights must have turned off. So we're still at it here. It's, I don't know what time it is. We stopped for a little while and went to some party, dinner thing that was lame, but I gotta finish tonight. I don't want to deal with this tomorrow. So I ran 2 ground wires to each side of the lights. So I'm tired of dealing with that shit. So one light turns on, the right one, but nothing from the left. Now I gotta troubleshoot this piece of shit. Alright, so I got all the lights working now. This is day 7. So the problem I had was I only have a 4-pin. So I needed to get this to convert it. So the truck has 5 wires and the trailer only has 4. So basically this takes 4 wires and turns it into 4. Very expensive. Okay, it's taken me about 16 hours of work. I've had to rewire this twice. All kinds of shit. Alright, do the left side. Right side. Okay, stop. Do the brakes. Nice. Okay, let it go. Look at that shit. So this is what I did. These are a lifesaver. Better than wire nuts. So this is how I did this. Worked fine. Gotta tidy up everything and put the lights back on and I'm done. This was terrible. But thanks to Angela for helping me. It was terrible. Questions, comments, anything.